Late-night dinner scramble with soggy fries and unevenly cooked chicken. Small kitchen, tiny counter, no room for bulky appliances anymore. Family hungry, impatient kids, oven taking forever to preheat. Frozen wings turned rubbery, telling takeout we needed time literally. Meal prep chaotic. Cleaning greasy pans felt endless and exhausting. Wanted crispy results without drowning food in oil every time. Was balancing healthy goals yet craving indulgent textures nightly. Trying to cook for 7 with one small, slow oven. Meal timing mismatched. Some dishes overcooked while others remained cold. Takeout bills rising because homemade food lacked crispy finishes. I wanted convenience but refused to sacrifice flavor or health. Dishwasher clogged with greasy racks after greasy deep frying experiments. Air frying felt promising, but capacity often proved underwhelming. Juggling multiple appliances created clutter and confused cooking workflows badly. I needed one powerful appliance to rescue weeknight dinners fast. Scrolling late night, I saw a sleek Ninja air fryer ad. Clicked because Max Crisp 450-GF promised superheated crispy magic fast. Reviews raved about 6.5 QT capacity fitting huge family portions easily. Found video of 9-pound wings fitting perfectly into the basket. Saw dishwasher-safe parts. Cleanup looked ridiculously simple and fast. The 7-in-1 versatility caught my eye. No more appliance pileups. Space-saving design fit my tiny counter exactly like magic. A recipe book included? Sign me up for weeknight wins. Influencers raved. Friends texted photos of crispy, guilt-free meals. I ordered fast. Couldn't resist trying Max Crisp and big capacity. Delivery arrived within days. Unboxing felt like holiday excitement. First glance, sleek matte black finish and intuitive digital touchscreen controls. Basket slid out smoothly. The crisper plate looked premium and non-stick. I couldn't wait. Preheated to 450 degrees and started experimenting immediately. Within minutes, my kitchen smelled like restaurant-quality frying, oil light. Max Crisp blasts 450 degrees superheated air for ultra-crispy restaurant textures. Air fry gives browned, crunchy exteriors without drowning food in oil. Air broil caramelizes tops fast, steak, veggies, and melty cheese perfection. Roast locks flavor, crisp skin, and saves oven preheat time. Bake soft interiors and golden crusts for desserts or casseroles alike. Reheat revives leftovers to crisp freshness. No soggy microwave meals anymore. Dehydrate makes snacks, fruit leather, beef jerky, crunchy herb chips. 7 preset functions replace multiple gadgets in one compact unit. 6.5 QT basket fits 5 lbs fries or 9-pound wing feasts easily. Huge capacity perfect for families, meal prep, and entertaining guests. Dishwasher-safe crisper plate and basket mean cleanup in minutes. Non-stick finish prevents stuck-on messes. Flipping becomes effortless and clean. Frozen to crispy preset cooks, frozen snacks hotter and faster every time. Saves oil, up to 75% less fat versus deep frying. Intuitive touchscreen and LED display make setting time and temp simple. Space-saving design is countertop-friendly but retains large internal capacity. Rapid hot air circulation cooks evenly. No more flipping nightmares required. Included recipe book and charts spark weekly meal inspiration immediately. Silver accent handle and matte black styling look modern and premium. Preset programs save decision-making time during busy weeknight dinners. Crisper plate perforations let fat drip away for healthier meals. Fast preheat means dinner starts now, not after long waiting. Perfectly cooks wings. Crispy skin, juicy interior, crowd-pleasing every time. Great for small commercial kitchens, meal prep, and batch cooking needs. Smart size fits cabinets when stored. Reclaim precious counter space. No more soggy fries. Max Crisp restores crunch in minutes. Tiny counter? Space-saving footprint freed room for other essentials. Kids eat faster now. Dinner's ready without stressful multitasking. Frozen snacks transformed. Crispy outsides, tender insides every single time. Meal prep scaled up. Batch wings for parties with ease. Cleanup feels effortless. Dishwasher-safe parts finished the job quickly. Saved oil and calories. Still enjoyed crispy textures guilt-free nightly. Preset programs removed guesswork. Perfect results without endless tinkering. Its capacity handled family dinners. No multiple batches or delays. Dehydrate created healthy snacks for school lunches and long trips. Reheat returned leftovers to freshly cooked quality, crunchy and warm. Cooking workflow simplified. One appliance managed multiple dishes simultaneously easily. Now cooking is faster, healthier, and less stressful every weeknight. Ready to ditch soggy dinners and upgrade to crispy greatness? Can your countertop handle another bulky appliance? Or will you simplify? Imagine 9-pound wing nights without stress. Don't you want that now? Why wait for perfect fries? Upgrade today and taste the difference. Isn't it time your kitchen worked smarter, not harder tonight? Limited counter space, endless meals. Will you choose convenience and crisp? Click buy now. Turn chaotic dinners into crispy celebrations starting tonight.